Welcome. Today, we're tackling a quick practical fix, preventing the Facebook app from accessing your clipboard on PC after the latest update. If you value your privacy and want to keep sensitive bits of information from wandering into the app, this short guide will walk you through the exact steps. First, open the Facebook app on your PC. Once you're inside, look to the top of the screen for the menu indicated by three dots. Click those three dots to reveal a few quick options. This is the gateway to more detailed settings without leaving your current page. From the drop-down, choose App Info. This section gathers all the app-specific details you might want to adjust, and it's where the privacy toggles live in a straightforward layout. After selecting App Info, open Settings. You'll find several categories here, so locating settings is the key to entering the permissions you want to manage. Within Settings, head to Permissions. This is where Facebook lists what it's allowed to access on your device. Tap on More Settings Permissions to see the broader, less obvious controls that aren't always visible at first glance. It's easy to miss, but it's exactly where you want to be for granular privacy control. Next to Clipboard, choose Block. In this spot, you'll see a toggle or option that determines whether the app can read what you've copied to your clipboard. By selecting Block, you're telling Facebook to stop peeking at your clipboard content. This step provides a clear barrier between your copied information and the app. If you don't see an immediate change, try closing the Facebook app completely and reopening it. Sometimes apps cache permissions, and a fresh start ensures the new setting takes effect right away. For peace of mind, you can run a quick test. Copy a piece of text, then switch back to Facebook and see if the copied content pops into any prompt. With the block enabled, there should be no clipboard access signals leaking into the app. That's all there is to it. A few taps, a quick check, and your clipboard stays private.